morning, everybody. My name is Michaela if you're new here. So today I'm gonna be cooking. I'm really excited about this video. I recently discovered TikTok. I know I'm kind of behind the ball there, but honestly there are so many talented and creative like videos, like seriously, like it's pretty funny. I really enjoy watching TikTok. I don't make TikToks, but I enjoy watching them. And there have been so many like viral like cooking videos I'm enjoying watching, specifically like the whipped coffee and like this mini pancake cereal. I've never even heard of that. So today I'm gonna be doing some viral TikTok video recipes. I'll be doing the whipped coffee and the mini pancake cereal. Okay, so first things first, I'm just gonna use like a box of pancake mix because I don't really feel like actually doing it from scratch. I'm lazy, guys. But anyway, so I'm just gonna put all the ingredients together. There's like 4 ingredients, so I'm just gonna do that quick and we'll get started. Okay, so I got my pancake mix and we're gonna start mixing. No, joking. That was not a chocolate face, guys. It's not. I'm not gonna use all this batter. I'm gonna make pancakes for the whole family because I'm a nice daughter. I'm a nice sister, okay? Okay, so we've got the hot griddle, we've got the mix, and we're gonna start making these mini tiny pancakes. So I have to make them like really tiny, like actual like, you know, cereal pebbles. So like I could get like a Ziploc bag and put a hole and just like, you know, squirt it, but I don't want to. I don't feel like that. I'm just gonna use a spoon and just start like scooping, like splatter it and then hope for the best. Like as long as it tastes fine, I'm okay. So and voila, we got some mini pancakes cooking on the griddle. Guys, I like barely got any sleep. I don't know how I have this energy, but I think I'm just really excited to try this. Like it just seems like so out of this world to me in my head. I don't know. So we're gonna let this cook, and honestly I'm realizing that I'm gonna have to make like a couple of batches of this to make like a bowl. So let's do this. First batch is done. Got some really tiny mini pancakes here. And when they smell like pancakes, I'm sure they'll be fine. So we're gonna make like a couple, I'm just gonna make like a few more batches so we can have a nice heaping bowl of mini pancakes. Okay, so now we have all our mini little pancakes in this little bowl. They're so cute and tiny. So now that we have the mini pancakes, I'm gonna start doing the whipped coffee. I'm not a huge coffee person, and I don't know, I mean, let's just give it a try. Everyone seems to like it, so let's give it a shot. So we're gonna need 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. I'm using French vanilla, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of this is boiling water. So I'm gonna put this in the microwave because I'm too lazy to actually let it put on the stove. Like I'm not doing that. So be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna use a mixer because it'd just be much quicker, but you could definitely just use like a fork or whatever, like do it by hand, but I'm gonna use a mixer. So I've got my 2 tablespoons of hot water. And now I'm gonna mix this for 2 minutes. You want really nice peaks in them, so. Okay, it's still not whipped. It's like getting there, so I'm gonna just gonna keep it run until it gets soft. It's totally not whipped. It's like pretty saucy. I mean, it tastes really good, but like it's not like whipped. Well, I'm just gonna serve it like it is. It tastes fine. I'm not gonna keep whipping this. So next thing you'll need, okay, so now we're just gonna need 8 ounces of milk. I got my almond milk here. And we're gonna put some ice, probably just whatever, how much ice you want. Okay, so make sure to leave like some room on top to get the coffee on top. So I'm just gonna spoon some and see what it looks like. Not whipped. Looking like I pretty much just made caramel. That's pretty much what I made, but I mean, maybe it'll taste good. We'll find out. Next thing we're gonna do is finish up this pancake cereal. So you're gonna want some syrup. I'm not sure how much to pour, so just pour how much you want. I like a lot of syrup because I like sugar. Your milk and pour it in there. Oh my goodness, this is so weird. Okay, and that's what we have so far. And I guess we have taste test. So that's the end of it, pretty much the end of this. All right, so here we have it, iced coffee. It may look like a fail. It may not taste like a fail. And then now we have the cereal. I'm gonna mix it up here. Oh, it's getting soggy. I don't know if I like this. Let's see if I like this. All right, guys, let's do it. Just tastes like pancakes that are soggy now. Wait, put some more syrup on it. Maybe this will taste more sugar. I mean, it tastes fine. It tastes like pancakes. It's just like, I don't want soggy pancakes. Soggy, I don't. Okay. Like for the taste, it's like, for a normal pancake, it's like, okay, like average pancake, 5 out of 10. But for like the texture, it's like 2 out of 10. I definitely would not try this again. No, not for me. Keep stirring it. It doesn't, I don't know. Oh. It's actually like, tastes really good. It just tastes like caramel, like macchiato. Or just caramel ice coffee. That's what it tastes like. It doesn't, for like appearance, it's like crap. It's like 2 out of 10. But for taste, it's like 7. No? Not bad. I mean, who doesn't like caramel iced coffee? Okay, everybody, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed me trying TikTok recipes. Honestly, it was really fun to do, and I was really excited about it. Pancake for me, it's just pancake cereal was like not for me. But the iced coffee was actually not that bad. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video, and you have a great rest of your day.